Sammy.
Pawpaw, Sammy, the alley bug here. I had mentioned in a previous video about aspirin to help root plants. It works. I use baby aspirins. I'm fixing to repot these plants here. So what you do is this. You get 3 or 4 baby aspirins and you reach over here and you get your pliers and you crush these little babies. You crush them.
So they'll dissolve quicker?
And see? Yeah, they dissolve quicker. In the water. Aspirin is a natural rooting hormone. This will boost them. When you transplant them, this will boost them. Now, get my aspirin out of the way. Okay? Okay.
Hello, neighbor's dog.
Says you got any food?
No, we're just rooting plants and repotting plants today.
I'm gonna do it without you.
Oh, coming.
All right. Get when you ready.
Oh, it's rolling.
I keep my potting soil worm poop mixture over here. All right.
Is it about half and half?
It's a little over half and half, mostly worm poop. See the difference in texture?
Oh, yeah.
Fine stuff, that's worm poop.
And you put your pot and soil in there, and what's the vermicompost going to do?
It takes them, it fertilizes those plants. It's not actually fertilizer, it's just microbes and all kinds of goodies. And put them down in the pot. The simple reason, it plugs the holes up. It holds the soil. Now, I'm gonna make a mess. That's why there's black plastic's on my workbench. And while I'm doing this, the aspirin's absorbing in the water. When I water this plant, it's gonna be with that aspirin water. Now here's the thing, people. I don't like this black pot. It's dirty, but it can be spray painted and cleaned. Now we get there. Kind of messy, but it works.
Swap that over. Sorry.
It gives the roots more room to grow. It can spread out. The vermicompost is not a fertilizer. It's full of microbes, bacteria, etc., and all kind of goodies.
Do you sell that?
Oh yeah, I sell it. In fact, I got a couple of 5-gallon buckets sitting behind you over there.
Oh. Can you ship it?
Yeah, it can be shipped.
All right, people. If you want some vermicompost,
Now
this is pure.
I'm not familiar with. This might be a problem here.
Okay, so what are we doing here?
I'm trying to reroot it, but I'm not familiar with this plant.
Are these new plants? I'll help him.
It's root bound. Look at that.
Oh,
I knew it. It's root bound.
what's that mean?
Look at it. Look at the roots.
Oh, it should have been in a bigger pot, maybe. We didn't know.
I gave her a cookie. She's looking.
I'm wondering why she's sniffing my leg. I don't have anything to eat, chick.
She's got the best nose. She sniffs everything.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. I'm getting it. There's a general way to do it or just do it. I usually just do it. All right. There's one.
Is that two? Could that be 2 different ones?
It could be.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
That's 2. That's 3, and I do have an extra pot. Okay. So I turn 1. Come on now. Be careful.
Oh, sorry. I'm dropping the camera watching you.
And the 4. Now. I'm gonna have to get in here and get this packed in there now. That's why.
Do you put coffee filters in these?
No, I didn't.
Do we need
It's
to?
only got 1 hole.
Okay.
The others had 5 or 6 holes.
Okay. me get you some more mixture real quick. I'll get you some more. Hello, pup.
You
Hey,
want
Mom.
these?
They're beautiful.
Cause I'm gonna send them to Samantha next weekend. Okay, you got the idea now. Replant it. Here it comes. You water it down good. And I would keep it out of the sun for 2 or 3 days. Too much sun right now wouldn't be a good thing to stress
It's
it.
beautiful. Why are these like this?
Because when they get all ugly looking, I clip them off and clean them up.
Oh, okay. Then they look like this. That's gorgeous. So are you going to repeat the same thing for these 3?
Yeah, the same
Okay.
thing.
Well, I'll turn this off and we'll show the finished product in a moment.
Pack it in. There you go. Now pack it in good. And then you take your little worm. Now.
Look at that. They're beautiful.
Yeah. Now this worm poop and aspirin water and sitting in the shade for a couple of days, they'll go. They'll take off like crazy. Uh-oh, made a mess. I need the aspirin water that
Oh, okay.
big time.
Can you turn it?
Yeah.
All right.
A little more just in case. A little more just in case. A little more.
Great job, Pawpaw Sammy. These are great, Dad.
Okay,
You're going to bless some people with these.
that's it.
Everyone, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those notifications for Pawpaw Sammy and Allybug's YouTube channel. Thanks to Starkey Farmstead for all the assistance they've been providing.